To fund the financial year 2023-2024 3.7 trillion shillings budget, the National Treasury has proposed a raft of tax measures as contained in the Finance Bill 2023, which was passed Wednesday by the National Assembly. Among the clauses in the bill is the proposal to harmonize value-added tax that now awaits the parliamentary nod at the committee stage. However, stakeholders in the transport sector have expressed fears that if implemented, the 16% VAT on petroleum products will drive them out of business and worsen their economic status, as Weekly Forecast reports.
Super petrol, diesel and kerosene are currently retailing at all-time high average prices of 182, 167 and 161 shillings respectively. This is based on the current VAT charge of 8%. These prices are, however, set to go up if the proposal to double the 8% VAT currently charged on petroleum products as contained in the Finance Bill 2023 is implemented, if the bill is assented into law without amendments. Stakeholders in the transport sector are waiting with bated breath, hoping the clause will be amended at the committee stage. Hosea Obonyo, a bodaboda rider in Kisumu, is among those who will be affected if the bill is implemented without further amendments.
Fuel imekuwa juu na hata kama wanasema wataongeza ikuwe 16%, bado ndio naona sisi wenye tunatumia hiyo fuel tutaumia zaidi. Hatujui sasa itaongezwa mpaka ifike wapi.
Obonyo says his returns from the business have dwindled significantly in the recent past and remains even more fearful of what the future holds if the bill becomes law.
Shauri vile fuel imeongezwa, ukiambia abiria aongeze pesa, hapo hawataki. Sasa inabidi ubebe tu ile pesa tumezoea, na hiyo bado tunafanya tu ni hasara.
With the 5 children spread in primary school, secondary school and college, Obonyo exclusively depends on the bodaboda business for school fees and other daily needs. He may be lucky to be riding his own motorcycle, but Obonyo is even more sympathetic with riders with leased bodabodas.
Kuna wengi wale wanategemea zile za kukodesha. Sasa kama hao unajua itakuwa vigumu zaidi. Kauli tangu upate pesa ya kulipa mwenyewe na upate yako ya kutumia na matumizi yako.
As the Finance Bill 2023 heads the committee stage, where members will be looking into the proposed clauses one by one, those in the transport sector have continued their appeal to members to reconsider the proposed 16% VAT on petroleum products, which they say, if implemented, may drive them out of business, thereby worsening the already dire economic situation.